Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we move on with today's video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that. Please do subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell just right next to it so that you stay notified. Today the video that I'll be doing is a review cum demo video of L'Oreal Hair Spa Cream. Hair spas are a very essential part of our beauty regimen these days because our hairs are subjected to a lot of stress, be it pollution, styling product, dust. Just like it's important to follow your skincare regimen, it's equally important to pamper your hair every now and then. But hair pampering at salons are like really costly and most of us haven't got the time to use natural products. So I'm here to show you a very simple, affordable but yet very effective product for your hair so that you can do spa or like you can pamper your hair at your home.
The product that I'm going to use today to pamper my hair, and it is the L'Oreal Hair Spa Smoothing Cream Bath with Water Lily. It is available at most beauty stores and also available online. It retails for ₹600 for 490 grams of product. So now I'm going to show you how to do L'Oreal Hair Spa at home. I'll take a generous amount of L'Oreal Hair Spa cream and mix it with L'Oreal Hair Spa Hydrating Concentrate for dry and sensitive hair. This is also easily available online. Next to this, I will add 2 vitamin E capsules like this and will then mix it nicely. This will help to treat dull and rough hair. It also conditions and nourishes your tresses. Now your hair must be shampooed and towel dried, and I am also dividing the hair into sections for easy application. You should apply the blend to the full length and then work on your strands. After applying the entire amount, massage your scalp for a few minutes. This will ensure good blood circulation. This promotes circulation to the hair follicles, and increased circulation at the roots of hair promote healthy hair growth. Next, comb the hair with a white tooth comb. Wet a clean towel in hot water and wrap it around your head and keep that for 20 to 30 minutes. This also encourages blood flow to circulate, promoting hair growth. Steam allows the hair to retain moisture, increases softness and stimulates hair growth. Next, rinse your hair with water, but don't use shampoo or conditioner. Then apply a nice serum of your choice to the entire length of your hair and comb it again. That's it, and you will get smooth and beautiful hair. You can see how smooth and silky my hair has become.
So I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and also press the subscription tab Bye.